Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term whipped. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, whipped is slang for being excessively controlled or dominated by a romantic partner. People use it when someone lets their partner dictate their actions or priorities. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Whipped first showed up in African American vernacular English in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and social media users. Now let's check out how to use whipped in a sentence. Correct example 1. Jake is so whipped that he always cancels plans to hang out with his girlfriend. Correct example 2. Man, I'm totally whipped since I started dating Sarah. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said whipped at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using whipped right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Whipped means being controlled by a partner. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with whipped in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.